Ready to set up an icon corner in your home? Here are the basics. First, choose a space. Usually an icon corner faces east. If you can't find a space that faces that direction, don't worry. The most important thing is your corner is somewhere quiet and free of distraction. Second, you need 2 icons. On the right, an icon of Christ, and on the left, an icon of Panagia. You then need a cross, which can be handheld, mounted, or standing. These 3 items are the must-haves because they bear witness to the incarnation of God and the salvation of humankind. Congrats, you now have a basic icon corner. Let's now discuss the extras. Over time, you may want to add other icons that have an important personal meaning to you. These can be icons of your patron saint, of other saints, or major feast days. Icon corners also feature candles, incense, holy water and oil, and prayer books. These items all have a practical use in our prayer life and can help you stay focused. But the most important thing is to have those basic essentials right. When we pare it down, an icon corner is a space dedicated to prayer, and what better time is there to enrich your prayer life than right now?